guys, Miss Mead here, and today we're going to be doing a model of osmosis. Now normally we would do this in the classroom and let you guys do it your own, but because of our circumstances that we're in right now, I'm going to do it for you. You can watch. You can also do this at home if you'd like to. It doesn't really require too many things, so by all means you can try this at home. And it's safety approved, so we're good to go. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a model of osmosis. We're gonna need to do a model of osmosis. So on in your notebook, I believe it's page 21, I wanna say. Let's see. No, I'm very off, it's 31. We're going to do a hypothesis. We're going to follow the scientific method. So we're going to observe, then we're going to do a hypothesis, and then we are going to look at the materials that we need. What do you think is going to happen, your observation, and things like that. Okay, so to start, our materials that we need are gummy bears. I love gummy bears. The pineapple ones are my favorite. So we need 3 gummy bears, and here I've got my lovely friends, the orange gummy bears, because I don't like orange, and neither does my son, so that's what's left over. So we've got some orange gummy bears. I have 3 total. We need 3 glasses. We need some water. I have fresh water from my sink. That works fine. Some Gatorade. And then we're also going to use some salt water. So all you have to do is add some salt to the fresh water that you've got. Okay. So here is my 3 glasses. So over here I've got Gatorade. Here is the regular fresh water. And then as you can see, this is our regular water with the salt added on. You can see some of the salt has kind of pulled up. I'm gonna give it a little swish and try and dissolve a little bit of it. This really helps if you use warm water here because it'll help the salt dissolve a little bit better. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna drop our lovely gummy bear into each one of these. And so I want you to think, after discussing about what osmosis does and what we know about it, what do you think is going to happen to each of these gummy bears? So plain water, salt water, and Gatorade. What will happen in each of these cups? So what will happen with the gummy bear in the Gatorade? What will happen with the gummy bear in the fresh water? And what will happen with the gummy bear in the salt water? Do you think they're going to get bigger? Are they going to stay the same? Are they going to get smaller? Maybe they'll disintegrate and break apart. Maybe they'll completely melt and turn the water orange. But use what you know about osmosis to make a hypothesis. We're gonna let these sit for at least 24 hours, but if you've got like a weekend, if you wanna do this on a Friday and check a Monday morning, you might see some really great results. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna let this sit for about 24 hours, and then we're gonna come back and check on these tomorrow. All right, guys, so I've got my gummy bears sitting in a good spot. I'm gonna leave them. I'm not gonna touch them. Don't stir them. Don't do anything with them. We just want them to sit in the water and go through the process of osmosis. So after 24 hours, we're gonna check them and see what happened and see if your hypothesis and your observations were correct. All right, guys, so it's been 24 hours with our gummy bears, and we're gonna take a look and see what has happened. Okay, so first up we've got salt water, and I don't know if you can tell, but the water is a little bit orange, and there is no gummy bear, completely gone. So here is the size of our original gummy bear, and then our salt water, we have no gummy bear. Next up, we have our Gatorade gummy bear. And again, for comparison, here is our original size gummy bear. And this is our gummy bear that's been sitting in Gatorade. And let's see if we can scoop that bad boy out. So he's kind of a mush pile, but he did get pretty large. He's kind of falling apart. So I don't want to take him out, but as you can see, so these are the legs right here. So just the legs in and of itself are bigger than the original gummy bear. Here's some more. All right, so a lot of gummy bear. Now this one, I don't even want to take out because I know it's gonna collapse, but this is our freshwater one. And again, for reference, here is our original size gummy bear. And I don't know if you can see, but the outline of the gummy bear is right there. So if you could see him, there's his little ear and his little arms and his little legs. There he all is right here. So I know, actually he might come out. Let me see if I can get another spoon, maybe. Well, here we go, here we go. Here is most of his body. So that's not even all of it. All right, so that was our original right here, and that was after just plain fresh water. All right, and that's just the middle part of his body. All right, there's more in there. That's gonna fall apart. All right. So was your hypothesis right? Was it wrong? What do you think? Pretty cool. I encourage you to try it at home. It doesn't require a lot, and you can actually see the results a little bit better. But from our experiment, it looks like the fresh water got the biggest. It was approximately that big, okay, compared to our original, which was that big. All right, hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you have any questions about this experiment, please let us know. Bye.